So in this video, I'm going to go over some common problems that people have with the extrude function. And before I begin, I'm just going to duplicate this cube a few times, and so I can set up and show what some of the common errors are. So I duplicated the cube once. Let's pull this up and got one more cube duplicated. Okay, here I've got one cube. I'm going to flip into edit mode. Then I'm going to go into face select mode and select one of the faces here. With the extrude, I hit the E key and I can pull out an individual face. This is the way it's supposed to work. I go back to vertice mode and I could grab one of these vertices, and as you can see, I can pull this around. It's basically got some additional geometry that I can deform. All right, that's the way it's supposed to be. I'm going to hit tab. I'm going to go up here to this cube. Hit tab, go back into face select mode and select this face. Now, a common problem is when you hit E to extrude and you decide, oh, this isn't actually really what I want to do, you hit the escape key. Now you've actually got a problem because you have extruded that face. It just hasn't gone anywhere. So you've actually got not just one point here, you've actually got 2 points there. If I hit E to extrude again and then go back into vertice mode, unlike the other shape that I had below, if I grab one of these vertices, do you see how I have yet another point right here? Grab this vertice, I still have the original point. In fact, if I move it off to the left, I'm going to end up with some weird faces overlapping, and then the geometry just looks very, very strange. So that's an issue. Basically, ways to recover from that. If I go up here and I hit tab and I select my face and I hit extrude and now I hit escape, I need to remember that I need to undo that extrude. So if I go under file or edit, undo, I now no longer have that face there, that extra set of vertices, excuse me. So if I select this face and grab it, you can see that it's not there anymore. If I hit E to extrude again and then hit the escape key, another way that I could do this, if for instance like enough time had passed I couldn't easily do an undo, and I realized that I actually have 2 sets of points right here. Like if I were to grab that and it's like, oh shoot, I got 2 points there. I know I don't want that. One way of getting rid of it is basically going under the mesh menu. Down near the bottom there's a cleanup, and then you can merge by distance. This will basically take vertices that are right next to each other or right on top of each other and merge them together. So if I do that merge by distance, you can actually click on this and adjust how far it is, but by default it works pretty well. Now when I grab this, it didn't merge by distance. Okay, I need to try that again here. I'm going to undo. I need to select the entire cube, mesh, clean up, mesh, clean up, merge by distance, and down here it says remove 4 vertices. I needed to select the cube first, I think. Hit G to grab. Now I've got it working. So keep that in mind as you do the extrude button. It is super easy to hit escape and then not realize you have actually done an extrusion, and you need to go back and either clean it up or you need to undo so that you don't have those extra vertices in there.